See friends, in today's session, first problem. Nalini purchased a cycle for rupees 660, including sales tax. See friends, Nalini purchased a cycle for rupees 660, including sales tax. If the rate of the sales tax is 10%, find out the sale price of the cycle. See friends, what he has given, Nalini purchased a cycle for 660, including sales tax. If the rate of the sales tax is 10%, see friends, sales tax also included in this price. What he is asking, find out the sale price of the cycle. That means sale price of the cycle before sales tax. See friends, what is asking, sale price of the cycle before sales tax. That means, see friend, what we have to find, actual sale price. Actual sale price before sales tax, that is X. Sales tax how much? Sales tax how much? 10%. 10% on what? 10% on actual sale price. That means 10% of X. Now sale price including tax. Sale price including tax is X plus actual sale price plus sales tax on sale price. This has given sale price. See friends, Nalini purchased a cycle for 660. This is the purchase price for Nalini, but for the shop, this is the sale price after including the sales tax. That means 660 equal to X plus 10% means 10 by 100 into X. Here X by 1. That means LCM of 100 and 1 is 100. Then 100X plus 10X equal to 660. Then 660 equal to 110X by 100. 0, 0 cancel. 11 1 jar, 11 6 jar. That means X equal to 600. See friends, what is X? X is the sale price of the cycle before including the sales tax. That only he has asked. Find out the sale price of the cycle. That means 600. See friends, actual sale price is X. That means actual sale price is 100%. On 100%, again he is added 10% sales tax. That means total sale price become 110%. So 110% equal to 660. Then what is the 100% actual sale price before including sales tax? That means 100%. We don't know. We assume as X. Then go for cross multiplication. 110X equal to 100 into 600. That means 0 0 cancel. Sorry, 660. 11 1 jar, 11 6 jar. Then X equal to 600. See friends, this is the actual cost price. He has asked, sorry, actual sale price. He asked the sale. We will cross check it. Sale price is 10%. Then 10% of 600 how much? 10% of 600 is how much? 60. Then 600 plus 60 how much? 660. After including the sales tax 10%, that sale price is 660. Here also 660. So statement is also true. Then answer is 600. See friends, either way easy. This is also easy. This is also easy. Both are easy, but it is very nice. They easily will, if you know the fundamentals and procedure, then it is very easy. Otherwise, as per procedure, we should know this one. If you know this one, automatically we will get this one also. See friends, a watch is bought when there was a special discount of 10% by paying 810 rupees. Then the actual cost of the watch is, see friends, I will tell you the shortcut. A watch is bought when there was a special discount of 10%. That means if the cost is 100% actual cost price, then there is a discount of 10%. That means minus 10. That is actual 90%. That means selling price is 90%. So 90% equal to 810 rupees. But what he is asking, actual cost price. Then actual cost price is 100%. Then 100% how much? Go for cross multiplication. 90x equal to 810 into 100. 0 0 cancel. 9 9 jar. Then x equal to 900. See friends, nothing is there. This is a shortcut. See friends, actual cost price. See friends, actual cost price. Actual cost price equal to x. Then discount equal to 10% of x. After discount, what is the amount after discount? Price is 810 rupees. That means 810 equal to, see friends, x minus 10% of x. See friends, actual selling price is, actual cost price is x. Then again he is giving 10% on the cost price. That means 10% of x. Then 810 equal to x minus 10% of x. Then 810 equal to 90x by 100. 0 0 cancel, 9 9 jar. Then x equal to 900. See friends, what is x? X is the actual cost price. See friends, cost price. Not cost price, actual cost of the watch. He has to purchase for a rupees 900 actually, but they have given a 10% discount on 900. Then 10% of 900 is how much? 90. Then total price is 810. That means 900 minus 90 equal to 810. For 810 rupees, somebody purchased a watch for 810 rupees. Then the actual cost of the watch is 900. Nothing is there. Easily we will get the answer. See friends, what he has given? Ramu bought 40 kgs of wheat at rupees 12.5 per kg and 25 kgs at 15.10 per kg. He mixed them together. At what rate per kg should he sell the mixer to earn 10% profit? See friends, what he has given? Ramu bought 40 kgs of wheat at 12.5 and 25 kg at 15.10. Then he mixed them together. Then he is asking at what rate per kg should he sell the mixer to earn 10% profit. See friends, first we will calculate the actual cost price. See friends, first we will calculate the cost price. Cost price is 40 kgs into 12.5 plus 25 kgs into 15.10. See friends, 40 kgs into 12.5 how much? 500 plus 25 into 15.10 how much? 377.5 rupees. Then total cost is 877.5. See friends, this is the actual cost price. Then cost price per case. Cost price per case after mixing. See friends, cost price per case after mixing, because he is asking at what rate per case he should sell to earn a 10% profit. Then we will find the cost price per case after mixing. Then 877.5 by number of cases how much? 40 plus 25, that means 65 equal to 13.5. See friends, if you calculate this one, 13.5 will come. So 13.5 per kg. This is the actual cost price. Then he wants to get a profit of 10%. See friends, then he wants to get a profit of 10%. That means 10% of 13.5 is how much? 1.35. Then the total price become 13.50 5841 14.85. See friends, nothing is there. I just find the total cost price of the 40 kgs and 25 kgs. That is 877.5 rupees. What he is asking, at what rate per case should he sell the mixer? Mixer means this one, to earn a 10% profit. He is asking rate per kg. Then I have calculated the rate per kg after mixing. Then the total number of kgs is 65. Then the total amount is 877.5. Then I got the 13.5 rupees per kg after mixing. The average price this one. Then he is asking 10% profit on this one. So 10% of 13.5, how much? 1.35 rupees. Then 1.35 plus actual cost price per case after mixing, then 13.5, then total 14.5. Then he has to sell per case for 14.85 rupees to get a 10% profit. Nothing is there, friends. Easy. But we should know the procedure. What should we do? What he has given, what should we find? See, friends, next problem. If the price of a bag rupees 75 before discount of 15%, what is the final discount price? See, friends, what he has given, price of the bag is 75 before discount 15%. What is the final discount price? That means final discount price means after giving 15% discount on the price, that price is nothing but final discount price. See, friends, 15% of 75 is how much? 11.25. Then final discount price is nothing but actual price minus discount price, 63.75. Within 5 seconds we will do the problem. See, friends, actual procedure is price is 75 rupees. Discount is 15%. See, friends, discount percentage. Then discount amount is 15% on what? 15% of 75. That means 15 by 100 into 75. 15 5s are 75. 15 7s are 105 plus 7, 112 by 100. That means 11.25 is the discount amount. And what amount he is giving this discount amount? On 75. That means 75 minus final price. Final price is nothing but actual price minus discounted amount. That means 75 minus 11.25 is nothing but 63.75. This is the answer. But we should know the procedure, friends. In either cases, this is the lengthy only. This is the easy in competitive exams. Straight away 15% of 75 is 11.25. Then final discount price is nothing but actual price minus the discounted price. So 63.75 is the answer. This is the easy, but we should know the procedure also. If you know the procedure as well as shortcuts, it is very easy to get the answer. See, friends, next problem. A bag marked rupees 300 is sold for 270. What is the rate of the discount? See, friends, what he has given? A bag marked rupees 300. That is the actual bag price is 300. But he sold it for 270. Then what he is asking, what is the rate of the discount? See, friends, we should always find the discounted rate on market price only. See, friends, on market price. See, friends, actual market price is how much? 300. Actual selling price is 270. Then what is the discount he has given? 30 rupees. 30 rupees on what amount he has given? 30 rupees on market price. See, friends, 30 rupees on market price. Then 30 is what percentage of the 300? See, friends, 30 is 10% of the 300. Then answer is 10%. See, friends, if you know the percentages and if you understand the problem, then easily we will get the answer. See, friends, what he has given? Market price. Market price is 300. Selling price is 270. Friends, 270. Then discount, how much he has given? 30 rupees he has given discount. Then what he is asking? the rate of the discount, that means percentage of the discount. Then percentage of the discount, how we can calculate, on what amount, on marked price. See friends, percentage discount is nothing but discount amount. See friends, discount by marked price into 100. See friends, same only. In the previous classes, profit percentage is nothing but profit by cost price into 100. Loss percentage is nothing but loss by cost price into 100. But here he didn't ask anything, profit or loss. He is giving discount. Discount on what? Discount on market price. Here on cost price. So here on market price he is giving the discount. So discount by market price into 100. Discount how much? 30. Market price how much? 300. Then 100. 2 zeros cancel. 3 1s are 3 10s are. So 10% is the discount rate. See friend, nothing is there. We should understand the problem. Then easily we will get it. Straight away while seeing the problem, 30 rupees he has given the discount. Then 30 is what percentage of 300. So 10% of market price is 30 rupees. Then answer is 10%. See friends, next problem. The selling price of an article is rupees 24 after a discount of 20%. If the discount is increased to 30%, what will be the new price? See friends, what he has given? Selling price of an article is 24 after a discount of 20%. If the discount is increased to 30%, what will be the new price? See friends, by seeing the problem itself we can do it. 20% discount. See friends, we should always think the cost price is 100%. If the cost price is 100%, then how much discount he has given? 20%. That means 80%. For 80% he sold the article. Then 80% equal to 24. He has given the selling price is 24. Then 100% is actual cost price. Then 100% is how much? See if I go for cross multiplication. 80x equal to 24 into 100. 0 0 cancel. 8 1 jar, 8 3 jar. Then x equal to 30. That means actual price of the article is 30 rupees. After giving a 20% discount, he sold it for 24 rupees. See friends, 20% of 30 how much? 6 rupees. Then 30 minus 6 is 24. So the actual cost price is 30. After giving a discount of 20%, he sold it to 24 rupees. Then what he is asking, if the discount is increased to 30%, what will be the new price? That means if the discount is 30%, what will be the new price? See friends, 30% is on what? 30% is on cost price. That means 30% of 30 how much? 9. That means the final price is 21 rupees. The new price of the article is 21 rupees. Nothing is there. Then procedure I will tell you. See friends, cost price, actual price. See friends, actual price. Actual price is X rupees. Then the discount percentage, how much he has given? Discount percentage 20%. Then after discount, selling price how much he has given? 24. That means 24 equal to, see friends, after discount means x minus 20% of x. See friends, discount is always on the price, actual price. See friends, x minus 20% of x. That means 24 equal to x minus 20 by 100 into x. Here 1. Then LCM of 1 and 100 is 100. Then 100x minus 20x equal to 80x. 80x by 100. Here 24. 0 0 cancelled. 8 3 is 24. Then x equal to 30. But what he is asking, if the discount is increased to 30%, what will be the new price? Then 30% of 30 how much? 9. then new price is nothing but 21. See friends, 30% of 30 means 30 by 100 into 30. 0 cancel. Here 2 zeros cancel. Then 9 rupees is the discount. Then what is the price? 30 rupees. 30 minus 9 is 21. So 21 is the new price.